Hello, I'm Hannah Watson and I'm the Cisco Business Manager here at Softcat. Today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Wi-Fi access points from Meraki Go. Meraki Go is a new product line from Cisco Meraki and it's built with the small business owner in mind. It's centrally managed through an app with all the features that you need, but without the complexity of the normal IT solutions. It also comes with all the security of Cisco. Here is the box, and you will notice on the back there is meraki-go.com, which is the website. If I open up the box, we have the indoor access point, and then on the back there is the wall mount which comes included. And you just clip this off, and on the back there is a template for you to use, and you can put this up against the wall and screw it in where you need to. Actually, on the back of the access point there's a QR code and a serial number, as well as an Ethernet port and a power adapter port as well. So actually inside the box you've got some compliance details and then also a quick start guide. So it leads you straight to the Meraki Go app, as well as a step-by-step of what you need to do next. We have everything that you need to mount this on the wall. An Ethernet cable, which you can use to power over Ethernet if you have a power over Ethernet switch, or if you don't, then there's also the power adapter included as well, and you'd need to use both of these. Now I'm going to show you the outdoor access point. You will notice it's a slightly different shape. On the back it's got a slightly different wall mount, but still has a serial number and the QR code as well. It's weatherproof, so it's IP67 verified, and you have the Ethernet port and the power adapter port inside there. Again, inside the box you have the compliance details, and you've also got the quick start guide, which sends you to the app and shows you exactly how to wall mount that. We also have wall mounting apparatus. We've got the Ethernet cable as well, and also the power adapter in case you are not powering this over Ethernet with a power over Ethernet switch. And then you've also got the additional wall mount, which is included in the outdoor access point. Now I'm going to run through how you set this up. So you receive an email from Meraki. You'll be able to see your subscription key and also a link to create your account. Select create your account. The email address and subscription key is already populated, so you just pop in your first name, your last name, create a password, and then also add the company that this is for. You'll select your region, agree to the terms and conditions, and then select create account. That's the account created. You'll see a QR code, and that can be downloaded from the App Store or the Google Play Store. You'll notice at the bottom there's a help link and also ask the community. If I select the help link, that allows me to get in touch with the Meraki engineer, who will come back to me with my resolution. If I want help straight away, then I can ask the community and have a look in there to see if there's something already been posted in there. This setup process can also be done on any smartphone. Now I'm going to set up the app on the phone. So take your phone, open your camera, and just show it to the QR code on your laptop screen. You'll notice that the website pops up at the top, and you select open on the App Store, and we're just going to go in and download that from the App Store. Open that, that's it downloaded, and then if you just pop in your email address and password, which you set up before. And once we've done that, just log in, allow the notifications from the Meraki Go app, and you'll notice it comes up with unboxing, how to unbox, and we're just going to select next and scan devices. So allow access to our camera, and we're just going to take the access point out of the box, slide the wall mount off to reveal the QR code on the back, and then we're just going to get the camera to look at that. And you'll also notice that it says enter serial number instead. You can do that if you prefer, and that's it, success, hardware has been added. So next we're going to plug that in, and I'm going to go downstairs to plug that in one of our conference rooms. So we're now down in the conference room, and the next step is to plug this in. So I've taken the Ethernet cable that we had in the box. It's a flat Ethernet cable, makes it easier to run along walls. I'm just going to pop that into the Ethernet port at the back. Because we are using a power over Ethernet switch, we do not need the power adapter. So I'll go back to my app, and it will be trying to connect. And what this is going to do is it's going to connect and upgrade. You can see the device light legend on there, so it will show you exactly what the lights on the front of the access point means. And you probably want to leave this for about 5 minutes or so until the green light comes on. Once that's connected, it will prompt you to create a Wi-Fi network. So select that, and then you can name the network anything you like, and you can also include a password. If you don't want a password and you want it to be an open network, then just leave it blank and then select create and connect. This will take about 30 seconds or so to get this set up. and then it will give you the option to join to your network straight away. You're now connected to the Meraki Go Wi-Fi, and here you can have a look at the app. It shows everything on the main homepage, as well as on the networks. It shows the network that you've just set up. You can add any additional networks should you need to. On the hardware, you can add any additional hardware should you need to. And then on the settings tab, this is where you can make all your configurations. So if I wanted to do some web blocking, select web blocking, just add the website. Once that's in, select done, and that will block the website completely. If I want to add some usage limits, then I select usage limits, add some limits, and I may want to block video or limit the amount of video that they can use. So just scroll that across, select done, and that's applied to your network. Now this is all set up, we would recommend using the wall mount to get this attached to the wall. If you wouldn't like to do that, just place the device somewhere in the room with minimal barriers facing the devices that you would like it to connect to. Now you've seen how easy that is, get in touch with your Softcat account manager today or head over to our website to find out more.